Volunteers preparing to leave for an outreach-free clinic found two people from a remote village sitting in the waiting area.
Baka ako mahuli at hindi na kami maabot. Sayang naman po masahe natin. Kaya sabi ko din sa akin po, di umalis na tayo ng Sabado ng hapon.
The CGI Center arranged temporary lodging for them. The next day, Nello underwent a series of tests. Doctors diagnosed him with myopic maculopathy. Unfortunately, surgery could not restore his vision.
Pero buti nga po, hindi po nagde-detach po yung retina po ninyo kasi mga maliliit na punit, nagiging peklat po sila. No? Kaya lang sir, sa ngayon po, wala pa po kasing nagagawa pong pag-aaral o kaya surgery para ang peklat maayos. No?
The medical team did not want Nello to leave empty-handed. 2 years ago, he saved money for new glasses, only to be scammed.
Tagal ko na po kasing pangarap na kahit po salamin lang, makapagpasalamin po siya.
Papunta lang dito, it costs a lot of money considering he is a farmer. So maliit lang ang kinikita niyan. For him to travel here, more or less mangungutang pa sila. So it's better that magkano lang naman yung salamin eh. So make the most of it, give it to them.
3 weeks later, the CGI Center shipped glasses to Mindoro. In a photo from the field, Nello beams with joy. ITV reports.